Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the unboxing of December's Hat of the Month Club. If you are a member, by now you've probably received your red box. If you're not a member, you too can become one. Simply go to our website, look under subscriptions, and you'll find it there. Now let's see what's in this month's Hat of the Box. Hat of the Box. Hat of the Month Club box. All right. Tissue. We always have lovely tissue. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is a pair or a set, let's put it that way, of the Flexi Flips in the squared. Look at that. Addy Rocket squared Flexi Flips. That is a pretty nice item that we have in there. That is pretty darn awesome. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or Happy Hanukkah to all of you who got that. Now let's see. Oh, there's two other packages in here too. Oh, and there's a treat. Let's look at the treat first. It's a Seattle Chocolate You're My Hero chocolate bar. That is pretty amazing. Those are really good, by the way. They have sea salt and caramel on the inside. Yum, yum, yum. All right, let's see what we have here. We have one ball of Kenzie. Look at that. For those of you who aren't familiar with Kenzie, it's a yarn that actually comes from New Zealand, and it has, I believe, 50% merino, 10% angora, 25%, I've got to look, nylon, 10% alpaca, and 5% silk. So there's not a lot that it doesn't have, let's put it that way. And this here feels like it's the same thing. So it looks like we have two balls or two skeins of that yarn. And I bet there's a pattern too, right? We always have a pattern in here, and we do. This month we have the Skyscraper Hat with Brim. That is this pattern. This is a design from our own Kyle Kunicki. And you know, I know why they gave you two balls. This pattern actually takes one ball, but it measures in at about 49.5 grams, which only leaves you like an extra yard of yarn. So in case you run out, they gave you a second ball. But what that also means is that if you hit gauge exactly, you could probably make two hats. And what does the hat look like? Well, here we go. Here's the hat. It has a really unique pattern on it, which is described inside the instructions. I think it's a really cute hat. There you go. And I suppose that with the two balls, if you wanted to, you could just make it a lot longer and make it a droopy beanie as well. Of course, they're going to give you a code in there so that you can download the pattern into your Ravelry library as well. And, well, that's everything that's in the box, but that's an awful lot of goodies. I mean, you have your Flexi Flips, you have this fantastic bar of chocolate, you have two balls of Kenzie, whew, and the pattern. Can't beat that. If you want to join our club, like I said at the beginning, go to our website, look at subscriptions, and you'll find it there. Thank you for joining us today. Next month, we'll have another unboxing for the Hat of the Month Club for the month of January. It's going to be 2021. Yay! Happy New Year!